Have you ever wished for a tool that turns your players into creators? Your wish came true. With Kinetix, effortlessly integrate an AI-powered user-generated emote feature using just a few lines of code, and enable your players to unleash their creativity by crafting and playing their own custom emotes directly in your game. Thanks to Kinetix cutting-edge technology, creating an emote is very simple. All it takes is a phone camera or any video for players to create their custom emotes and play them on their avatar. Kinetix built and released an SDK so that Unity developers could swiftly integrate the user-generated emote feature. The SDK is a plug-and-play solution that includes a proprietary retargeting technology to play custom emotes on any humanoid avatar, and a moderation system to control the content that is added to the game by players. This moderation system includes an automated moderation that checks emote creations and a moderation portal to manage UGC content available in your game. Before I start the integration, I would like to thank Kinetix for sponsoring this video, so let's start. First of all, we open the Kinetix document and open the Setup Unity and Import SDK tab. There are 3 steps here and we start with the first one. You need to create an account on Kinetix Developer Portal and set up a game space for the SDK. And we have successfully created our game space on Kinetix Developer Portal. We'll return to this part again. Now let's open the document. Now we move on to step 2. In this part, we'll install some packages to Unity. First, we install Newtons of JSON. Let's copy the link here, then open Unity and open the package manager from the window tab. From the plus button on the top left, select Add Package from Git URL and paste the link and add it. Then install the new input system. We can repeat the same steps. After installing the new input system, a warning will appear on the screen and restart Unity. Let's click yes to this. Then, to check if the new input system is selected, open the player settings and open the other settings section. Here, you will see the active input handling option. Both or new system should be selected. I select both. This part is done. Now let's open the document again. Now we move on to step 3. In this part, we'll install the Kinetix SDK on Unity. Let's scroll down the page a bit and copy the link. As we did it before, let's do this installation from the package manager. The installation may take a while, so let's wait. After the installation, you will see the Kinetix tab at the top. Let's open it and install the SDK. Installation is done. If you get an error after installation, re-import the Kinetix core from the packages section and the error will go away. Open the package manager again. Select Kinetix core and open the sample section. And import Kinetix core samples. Then open the core demo scene. In this part, we'll need an API key. So let's go to the Kinetix portal. Then click on the Get API Key button and copy the key. Don't lose this key. Save it somewhere. Then open Unity and start the scene. Paste the key here and click Let's Go. Then click Next Step again. In this section, choose a username and click Connect Me button. And as you can see, we have successfully connected. This is a demo sample so that devs can check they have successfully integrated the technology, while the technology is for players to create emotes, not for devs. In this section, click on the Create an Emote button. There are 2 options on the page that opens: record video and upload video. I choose upload video. If you want to record video, you can choose the other one. Then click Get Started and select the video you want to upload. Here you will see a preview of your video and you can set the length of the video. Click Continue. Then fill in the emote name field. Here select Mature Audience Restricted according to type of your video. Then confirm the emote and click Proceed. And we have successfully created the emotes. But we need to wait about 15 minutes for it to be active. I waited for a while and my emote was ready. As you can see, our character can dance like in the video. It's so cool, isn't it? The emote creation process we just saw is the same that players will experience in-game, with the only difference being that players will do it on their phone and will be able to record themselves as well. Now I'm going to try this emote on another character. This is my character. First of all, the animation type of our character must be humanoid, otherwise the emotes will not work. You can see this in the rig section of your character. Now let's create a new script. Then open the document and click on Quick Start Unity SDK tab. Here, copy the codes in the second section and paste them into the script. First, let's paste our game API key. Let me explain the codes a little bit in this section. In the awake method, before initializing the SDK, we can register a callback to call subsequent functions of the SDK. Then we can initialize the SDK with the configuration we want. In the onInitialize method, we register local player to receive animation and we connect the current user account to get his emotes. After the connection is established, the display UG link method is called. In this method, we can activate what we want. In these emote methods, we get players' emotes and we can call get user animation metadatas, which will return an array of animation metadata containing all the info we'll ever need. So I call the get player emotes method inside the fetch emotes at interval method, and then I call this method in the display UG link method, and that's it. I add the script to the game object and I assign my character to the animator section. And then I give the ID I created to the user ID section. You can see this in the UGC moderation tab from the portal. Let's try it now. As you can see, the character is dancing. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about ReadyPlayerMe. ReadyPlayerMe allows game developers to integrate a custom avatar creator in their game. It's free and available on the Unity Asset Store. And also ReadyPlayerMe works well with Kinetix. Now let's look at our examples. As you can see, the user-generated emotes I created with Kinetix can work on the ReadyPlayerMe character. We can play emotes in an integrated way without any disruption to the character's movements and animations. That's pretty impressive. Now let's try it on a different character. As you can see, it works successfully. Kinetix proprietary retargeting technology guarantees the user-generated emote feature is compatible with any humanoid avatar. In this way, boost your game's engagement as you empower your players with unlimited expressions capabilities. Thanks for watching.